If you're worried that AI might be coming for your job, you're not imagining things. Change really is happening fast. And when change moves this quickly, fear is a very natural response. But there's one misunderstanding that's creating far more anxiety than necessary. And once you understand it, the entire conversation around AI and work starts to feel very different. Most people hear headlines like AI is replacing jobs and immediately wonder where that leaves them. That reaction makes sense, especially when no one slows down long enough to explain what's actually being replaced and what isn't. Here's the most important idea I want you to take away today. AI replaces tasks, not people. And that distinction changes everything. A job isn't one single thing. Every job is really a collection of tasks. Some of those tasks are repetitive. Some are predictable. Some follow very clear patterns. Those are the kinds of tasks AI is good at handling. But the rest of your job, things like judgment, communication, problem solving, and understanding context, those are still very human skills. For example, AI can help draft an email, but it doesn't know why that email matters in your specific situation. AI can summarize data, but it doesn't understand the relationships, the history, or the consequences behind the numbers. That kind of context still lives with you. This is also why two people with the exact same job title can have very different experiences with AI. One person uses AI to remove busy work and free up time. The other avoids it completely or feels threatened by it. Same job, very different outcomes. So the goal isn't to learn AI in some massive, technical way. The goal is much simpler than that. Start noticing which tasks in your day drain your energy, especially the repetitive ones or the tasks that slow you down. Those are exactly where AI can help without replacing you. You don't need to outrun AI. You don't need to become a tech expert. You just need clarity about what you do and where AI actually fits. And once you have that clarity, this stops feeling like a threat and starts feeling like a tool. If this helped, you'll find more calm, practical conversations about AI right here